5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Long hairpin right, narrows. Tightens a bit when you see the tyres.
Yeah.
Down the bottom. So long hairpin left. Just remember cold tyres.
Yeah.
Patience, patience, patience. Then straighten the steering. That's it. Then flat all the way down. To your 9 left. Brake later, brake later.
Okay.
So 9 left, keep in. And then 9 right. Up to chicane left entry. And all the way at the end, a long 5 left. Brake at this side on the left. That's it. And chicane left entry. So you're going straight through to 9 left. Along the end, along 7 left. Remember, go wide. And then back to the left to the chicane left entry. Then flat 6 right. Loop long.
Okay.
Go on, go, 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 go. Then long 9 left. Keep in. And then you split in left.
Left, yeah.
Up to the 9 left around the tyres. Then 3 right, careful of the gravel. Watch the sun. Then up to the hairpin left. Just keep to the right.
To
Keep
the right.
Left, 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 left.
Left, yeah.
And 9 right, slippy. Up to 7 right, very slippy. Then up to the chicane. 9 right, 9 left. Then hairpin left. Then chicane straight through. And then this one is flat. Don't left, don't left, don't left, don't left, don't left. And then up to hairpin right. Well done.
Thanks.
And it's your bus stop chicane. Left entry, in and out. And long hairpin left. Just be patient. Remember, straighten up early. That's it. Then flat all the way down. Brake later. For your 9 left, keep in. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going.
Sorry.
Yeah. So 9 left, keep in, 9 right. Up to chicane left entry. All the way at the end. Long 5 left. Brake at the white sign. Keep going, keep going. And chicane left entry. To 9 left. Along the end to 7 left. On you go, on you go, on you go. And back to the left as you can. Flat 4 right, loop long. Flat, 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 flat. And long 9 left. On you go, on you go. Well in, that's it. Then split left.
Left.
And then up to 9 left. Then 3 right on the gravel, be careful.
Yep.
3 right, on you go, up to hairpin left. Hairpin left, then keep left. 9 right. And then 7 right, very slippy. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Then chicane left entry. 9 right, 9 left. Then hairpin left. Gently in the power. And then fast through here. That's it. Then be brave here. Be brave. Be brave. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Then hairpin right. Be patient. Just be patient. Keep going, keep going. And then bust up chicane, left entry. In and out. You're clear for your hairpin left. Make this lap the best one of the day. Flat all the way at the end. Brake late for this one.
Okay.
It's nice and dry, so you can brake late, brake late, brake late. Keep going, keep going, keep going. And then in, and then 9 right. Chicane left entry. That's it. All the way at the end. Brake at the white sign for 5 left. Keep going, keep going. That's it. 9 left. Along the end, and it's a 7 left. And that's it. Go wide, go wide. And then straighten up and left entry. Right, flat all the way in this one. Look long.
Okay.
6 right, flat. Don't left, keep it going. That's it, perfect. Then long, 9 left, look long, and you're splitting right. And you go, and you go. Keep going, keep going.
Split right.
Yeah, 4 right, keeping the curb. All the way, keep going, look long, all the way up here. Flat till you go off the circuit. Keep it going, keep it going.
Yeah.
Keep it going, come on. 3 left, keep it going, keep it going. And then it's a 3 left around the cones.
Right.
3 left. That's it. Into 9 right. And then straight through, so you're going like 3 left, 3 right. To 9 left. To 9 right. To hairpin left. Up to 9 right. 9 right. And they're doing like a 3 right, and then a very long open hairpin left.
Okay.
Very long open hairpin left. Right, in you go, on you go now, on you go now, on you go, it opens up, it opens. And then up to the top, and it's a 6 right. 6 right.
Yeah.
6 left, through the gate, 9 right. And then through the gate, 9 right. That's it, you're done.